Okay, this is my original effect that I want to show you here. Okay, I have a bottle. Okay, I take the bottle cap. Just going to set it down like this. I have the spectator hold on to the bottle. I put it in their hand, but I'll just use my hand here. I'm going to take the cap like this. Okay, I'm going to try and push it right inside the bottle. Okay, watch. It's like that. I'm just going to show you it's in there. There's no way to get it out. Isn't that amazing? Okay, here's my performance for the cap and bottle. Okay, we're going to take the cap here. Okay, now watch. Alright, I'll show you the bottle's empty. Watch. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to tap it. 1, 2, 3. That's right here. As you can see. There. Can't come out.